Hi, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Turkish coffee or Arabic coffee. For this we need to have a kanaka. We call this kanaka, and they come in different size and shape. The one that we're gonna use is enough to make 1 cup of coffee. To start, we put the water. So we fill the kanaka with water, and next I like to put sugar. So next step, I put like half teaspoon of sugar. Okay, so we put the sugar, and then we get the coffee. I have this brand. It's a coffee powder that I got it from Egypt from my last visit, but you can find a few Turkish coffee powders in the grocery stores. I usually put almost 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. Let me put a little bit more. Depend if you want it strong or if you want it weak. Okay, so after you put the coffee, then I will mix it. And we put it on the stove, and we turn it on. Put it on a low flame, low or medium flame. Fun fact, the drinking coffee, we call it ahwa. Okay, so coffee in Arabic is ahwa, but also it refers to drinking the coffee, or if you go to a cafe to socialize with your friends, we call also to go to al-ahwa. So ahwa could be the drink or could be the cafe. Some people, they use this tool, we call it sebertaya, but we're not gonna use it today. But this sebertaya also can give you a really nice Arabic coffee. Okay, this is called ma'la'a. We said that in the previous videos. Ma'la'a, spoon. So there is ma'la'at shay, which is the teaspoon, ma'la'at shay, or the other spoon, we call it ma'la'a kbira. The tablespoon, we call it ma'la'a kbira. Ma'la'a kbira means big spoon, and teaspoon, we call it either ma'la'at shay, because we use it to make the tea, or we call it ma'la'a sughayara. Ma'la'a sughayara. This is sikina, knife. Sikina, knife. And then we have fork, shoka. Fork, shoka. Then we can make the coffee in glass cup. So kubaya izaz. Or we can put the coffee in coffee cups. This is a coffee cup. We call it fingan ahwa. Fingan, cup. Ahwa is coffee. So fingan ahwa or kubaya cup. While the coffee is getting ready, let me show you and teach you a few things. This is microwave. We call that the same microwave. To make tea, we use the kettle. Butagaz is the stove. Botagaz, stove. Kanaka, we put the maya, water, and then sukkar, sugar. Then we put the ahwa, the coffee, ahwa, and we are waiting for the coffee to give you this froth. Fun fact, to make a good coffee, you need to have this froth. We call it wish al-ahwa, the face of the coffee, wish al-ahwa. And it's accustomed that if a family is proposing to a girl, they will go and visit her, and they will go and visit the parents. The proposed bride has to make coffee and serve the family of the groom, and she has to make it with a thick froth on the top. That's how they kind of see if you are a good bride, if you have a good bride or not. So to make a good coffee, you have to have that thick froth. وش القهوة. لا, it has to be big, كبير. وش القهوة. So we see, and the best way to get the coffee with a thick froth, before the coffee overflow, you just turn it off. To get ready, here we go, and we just turn it off. That's how you make a good froth. Let me put it in fingan, and be careful, the handle is hot. Ooh. Okay, it's not the best, but it still has that thick froth on the top. Okay, I will see you in the next video.